Hello everyone. Um, I'll be continuing the report. I just had to cut the video because it's still not too long and I lost the audio for it. So the report is very simple again. You just go to the monitor um, um, monitoring report, schedule, and run report. So when you land here, you have either it's schedule right now in demand or schedule. We already configured that when we did the initial wizard for the orchestrator. So you will specify the recipient, and I did right now actually I did I don't know if it's appear in that video or no, the video before this, but I did the in demand report, which is will specify the appliance. You will select your appliance and then you hit use this selected appliance, use this selected, so it's going to up populate from the appliance that you highlight. I highlight all of them, so we should get report all of them. And then there is a lot of option here. So you click new report, give it a name, and then the report boom would be here. You can select from the top down. And you have by default global report, have all these settings. And as I said, the recipient, and then these for the schedule report here, and then here for demand, and then here what you specify you want to report. You have tons of stuff, traffic, all traffic or pass through, whatever you want. You have a lot of stuff here you can select from. Optimize traffic, pass through traffic. This is top 10. For example, if you want to top 10 taker, you would select, they will give you the 10 top of them. Top domain, a lot of stuff. Here you select application chart, application bandwidth, application chart, application trends. I can select these two. Log scale for trend. I would leave these off. Overlay. Tunnels, you can specify all tunnel or underlay or overlay, whatever you want to, depends on your needs. And appliance charts, these will CPU boost, interface summary, interface bandwidth trend, QoS, DSCCB, DSCCB, traffic class, DSCP pie chart, traffic class, appliance packet count, and so on. I love that just the default, and I ran these, just hit run, and I specify a couple of days before now. And after that, after the report done, it would give you here successful, green successful, of the report successful and being sent. So now the last things here in these courses is how to view reports. And it's very simple. You just click on, let's read through. Click on view report at the top, schedule and run report tab. Click down icon to right of the daily report. Google Chrome show a download notification in the bottom left corner, and then click arrow, um, download, and then click open report PDF. Open in Chrome as a PDF. Page show 1 show house map. Page 2 show application by chart answer. It depends on what you selected. This will show here. And in here there is two question asking, what's the top application for outbound LAN? What's the top application for uh, outbound WAN? So let's do that. Let's view it because we already run it. So let's view it here, view report. And then you have pending change to save on a schedule or on report you want to save. I would say discard. Hit it again. And here the report that's been created since the orchestra have been installed, because we've been doing a automatic schedule reports. So this is why you see here a couple of them. And our report that we generated, we call it trend. This one, which is here, trend. I think we did two of them maybe. Well, I'm going to download the latest one. Let's see which one is the latest. Oh yeah, they are the same, but this daily and this hourly, same time being generated, and this daily hourly, because here, if you go here, this being selected, you can select one or the other, or you select both of them. So why that's you see two report. So I'm gonna download both of them right now. Which from here, click download, and it will start downloading, and click this also and start downloading. Okay, and then we're gonna view it and go walk through it. It's very simple. Okay, open it. Okay, now this report I barely can see. Outbound one, okay. Okay, what's the top talk or inbound one, outbound inbound one, outbound one? What the question again? You just see it and here they give you 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I believe they're 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're 11, I don't know why. We selected 10. Okay. Depends on like this outbound LAN was the top application. We'll look outbound LAN, this one. ICMB, because we are doing a lot of ICMB. Do you remember, guys? We are doing ICMB all the time, and trace route, which is I consider to be ICMB too. The next one is Silverbeak. Is for connecting with um cloud portal, I believe. And then UDB, TCB, Silverbeak, IBRF, ERF, and so on. So you have it. So ICMB application bandwidth, ICMB Silverbeak. Um, yeah, as you can expect, ICMB, because you see it here also. Different chart. Okay. And appliance bandwidth, you see which appliance is consuming more. It give you really good um, output here. And this minimum bucket threshold, these for the loss for per tunnel, latency per tunnel. The 10 of them, the top 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It gives you the top 10. Um, tunnel flow count, appliance flow count, numbers, max TCP, max every TCP and accelerated, and appliance flow byte, out of order packet per tunnel, top talker. There you go, you have it. This is really good when if you're in the management and you want to take decision or see big picture, we'll look at this stuff. Top talker. Remember one time when we were working, we were working with different, I believe 128T SD WAN, and it has also some of these features. We have problem on one side that have a a issue with the internet speed is very slow. They just calling us and saying, "Hey, we have very slow internet." After we troubleshoot, we look at this stuff, at this chart when we start troubleshoot, and we see there is one person with a specific ID. It's just consuming the whole internet on the stuff on the local LAN, not the guest Wi-Fi. Just going to streaming, I don't know, Facebook or YouTube. He just all his day just in the phone watching this. You can see who's that and you can take action based on that. It's really good chart to see when you troubleshoot or monitoring as in general. Okay, yeah, good information. Look at this traffic overlay, give you the appliance orchestrator report summary, give you the silver peak release, IP address, trend, time, hour, very nicely organized. And you will see it in PDF, which is very good. It saves you. Some of them they give you crappy output. You can now look at it in the PDF. This really good. You can see in PDF. Let's see what's the difference between them. They're the same, I believe, but that just daily, and the other one is um weekly. So depends. You'll get big picture. Okay. Yeah, this is it for this course, I believe. Job lines, fundamental laws, latency and tunnel flow count. Show the top talker domain count countries and countries. This is really cool. Top talker. We just saw the top talker. Top talker. Domain, yeah, there you go. Countries, United States, per country also. That's very good. Domain, per domain. Because the other one is ICMB, not domain, but most you can see per domain too. It's very good. Countries, huh? Very nice. And what else? Orchestrator report summary. Yeah, nice. View information orchestrator release. Host report name. Trends report. You can also what we do sometime we have in the report naming we have certain structure where you put name, date, time, and all this information just to struct and see. And if you lose your, if you get lost yourself between these reports, you can figure out which who is who. Close report, close the schedule report tab, and now you the email reports because yeah, it's been sent an email. You see here the recipient. I believe we send it to one of the emails here. These are recipient student at training.local. I think they have maybe email server installed locally for this demo for this purpose. We use an email report from the landing desktop open Thunderbird email client. This one, not sure. Let's start it. Thunder. This open source, I believe. Thunderbird. Okay. You'll see the same report just sent through the email. To start, take out 1 minute start. Click most recent self-agreed email to open review section of the email report. It just it's just regular email. Learning check. Answer the following question. Let's wait for this Thunderbird to open. They had stay. It take about 1 minute. Let's answer this question while we waiting. With what data granularity you can run reports all a lot with very down deep down granularity. What type of chart can a report show? A lot of them. Sure, for the report may be downloaded on the orchestrator or emailed the specific recipient. True. Okay, there you go. I think it's open now. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, it's open source, I believe. You can donate. Thank you for supporting Thunderbird, which funded by user like you. Product require software engineer, designer, system administrator, and server and physical. So you, if you like Thunderbird, the best way to ensure Thunderbird remain available to make a donation. Yeah, make a donation. Okay, if we look at here, this one, our report. Yeah, same thing we looked at. Look nicer actually. More nicer. Nice. Okay. Um, that's very nice. Okay, now Appendix A, solution to custom issue. Yeah, this is just problem you've encounter and how you troubleshoot them and whatnot. Okay, yeah, this is all for this course, and thank you for being patient with me, and thank you for listening and watching, and hope you see you for other course. Thank you.